What's up, YouTube? We are back at it again. This time we're talking about how to style those flat lays on a wedding day. You guys have been asking me for this video for some time now, and now that we're quarantined, I have plenty of time to make that happen for you. If you hear my kids screaming in the background, you know it's quarantine time. We trying over here. How do you style beautiful flat lays of your client's details on a wedding day? Let's get right into it. First, you're going to make sure you always have a styling kit on hand, whether it be in your camera bag, whether you just keep one in your trunk. The things that I'm going to show you today are things that I have in my trunk readily available just in case I do not like the surfaces that are presented at the venue or where they're getting ready at. One of the things that I'll have in my styling kit will be a little bag like this. I'll have styling ribbon. I haven't used this kit in a while. The ribbons are really wrinkled. But before you go, make sure you just lightly iron over your ribbons so you're not looking all jackbutt and ratchet. Take the things that they told me will be incorporated, like their colors and their theme. I'll kind of just pick a neutral and then two colors that may go well with their wedding and bring it along. I also have like these little stamps here. Wax seals. Yes, they are actually stickers, but I just keep the backs on them. And the link to this will be down below. Sometimes when you walk in to your venue where your clients are getting ready, honey, there will be some crazy looking surfaces. You might have nothing but a concrete floor or a sidewalk or just something that don't vibe with your style. Maybe you don't want to use the couch that's there. Maybe you don't want to use the wooden table that's there. Maybe you want something a little bit more personalized and catered to your client's style and style of wedding. Something that I keep on hand in my trunk will be these styling mats. Now, this is just one of their products. They actually have some that are foldable and they literally out. Another thing you can have will be like just some fabric. Nonetheless, this one I love so much. It's her newest one. And it's because it doesn't only give me two surfaces or two backgrounds that I can shoot with. It gives me four beautiful options to have in the car too. Lighting is key. You're going to set up in the best lighting situation. When I come in, the first thing I'm going to do is this. You are going to discover some good light in the room. For instance, I just turned my light off. I'm using this beautiful light that is coming from a big window here in my living room. And take notice that it is going across my face. The lightest part of my face will be left to right. So when I put my things down on my mats, I am going to make sure that I am intentional of the placement so that it does not cast a shadow. So for instance, I'm not going to put my shoes on this side of the mat because look, shadow. I am going to do it over here because shoes are high in height and it will cast a shadow across what you're trying to have illuminated, which is their expensive details. This is my favorite part. When you get to lay down your client's items in a way that's creative and beautiful, we're going to make sure with our paper goods that we are laying it straight. You have different pieces, and this is speaking more so when you're doing the whole invitation suite. Those lines can really make or break the picture. I promise you, those calligraphy artists are just ecstatic when they get back those images from your wedding day, and they're going to want to share your work over and over. If you guys just take a few seconds and make sure you line your paper goods up nice and straight. When you're putting your items on the flat lay, that things are just well balanced. If I'm going to use a textured cloth or something like that, I'm going to put that down first, and then I'm going to add my paper goods in a very neat, unique way, or maybe basic way, but we're going to do that next. And then I'm going to add those little details in, whether it's going to be I want to add the shoes, I want to add the earrings, I want to add in this case you see these sunglasses. They were really cool and a part of the day. So we're going to make sure that we're getting those different elements in there and just laying it in a way that's really balanced. You're filling your frame nicely, and that goes with just learning how to do good composition. Lastly, you want to just give a good variety. I first lay the whole suite out and I get that shot. Then I'm going to get a shot of the shoes. Then I might even break down the paper goods in smaller increments and make more creative shots if I have that time. That is all I have to share today on this. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow this channel for more tips. We're gonna be rolling them out because you know it's just Corona time. We got that time. Thank you, and until the next time.